as we have Pankaj already fully lined up, I'm just handing over directly to you to get it started, right?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you.
Thanks. Good afternoon, all. I am Pankaj Kumar Acharya, Product Owner for Data Capacity Excellence, working for Global Data Volume Management team led by Andre Gellert. What we do. In short, we help customer, our team help customer to reduce data footprint, to optimize or to reduce memory. So this is what our team used to do. Just like in short I have mentioned. So if you would like to know more about Global Data Volume Management team and its focus area, its services, then please feel free to reach out to the colleague name mentioned on this slide. They will help you out with that respect. So today, I want to show you that how you can make your SAP system smarter. Smarter in the sense, it's about managing data by itself, automatically. Today's session is going to be for next 20 minutes, sorry. And I promise this session, the information is relevant for both business users as well as SAP technical user. So before jumping into the next slide, I would like to tell you, AI assistance for innovation adoption is not a service. Just someone will come and provide you the report quarterly basis or bi-monthly basis, and it's a product, it's a tool which runs continuously, automatically, which observes issues, identify issues in the system. Not only it is identifying the issue, it used to provide you recommendation, the solution, how to fix the issue, how to keep track of the issue as well. So the next slide is talking about the same. Adoption is our key. So AI assistance for innovation adoption, it's not a service, it's a product. It runs on cloud ALM. And you can say it's a tool chain as well. So before jumping to next slide, okay, yeah. So AI assistance in adoption in layman terminology, if you ask me, I would say it's a fitness tracker for SAP systems where it runs continuously, automatically, identifies the issue, observe the issue, and inform you, notify you the issues and its solution so that you can fix the issue. So that's why I would say that SAP HANA system would become more smarter after adapting this tool. Today, I am going to discuss about or explain about what exactly AI assistance for innovation adoption is, how it works, what are the prerequisites to use this tool, what contents it contains. From data capacity excellence point of view, we'll dig into the details. Then we'll end the session in question and answer. So AI assistance for innovation adoption is an intelligent automated optimization engine or product to strengthen your SAP landscape. How it works? First, it collects data from your production system. Collect raw data from the production system via SAP Cloud ALM. Next, what it does, it generates insights. Raw data, numbers, does not make any sense if the insights is not getting generated. How it generates the insight? Transform raw data into data-driven insight through AI-powered analysis and pre-processing. So after collecting the data, it It look into your data, it find the insights. Okay, finding insights is also not enough. Being a customer, I have to visualize my data, what it is, what exactly it is, how it looks like. So it prepares a report to go through with its findings, as well as it prepares a dashboard to visualize your data. Next, what it does, articulate the issue, whatever findings it has to, in cloud terminology, SAP Cloud ALM terminology, the findings, the observation of the system is called as issues. So we will see that issue and action management in later point of time, what exactly issues and actions recommended by this AI-powered tool. So as of now, articulate the issues. Next, only identifying issue is not a solution. So what solution we have to implement, it will tell you that. Also, it will guide you stepwise how to implement that solution. So it creates a guided action, generate the recommended action by SAP's unique premium knowledge, how it understands all those problems and solution. It understands because in its brain it was fed that, okay, if this is the issue in this way, you have to implement the solution. These are the steps. So from best practice knowledge, from past 30 years knowledge, premium knowledge, it was fed into his mind. Only providing solution is not a complete solution. To implement those solutions in your system, fixing those issues is complete. So how you can track that? This tool also helps in that. So implement and track in PTM. So manage and monitor implementation through project and setup widget or app to ensure observability and quality. So let's jump to the next slide. See, yeah. So today I am presenting from data capacity excellence, but this tool is not limited with only that capability. It has many capabilities. Couple of capabilities are live, and couple of are it is in development and it will live soon. So yeah, data capacity excellence is one of the capability. Next, evolution readiness, adoption potential for RISE with SAP, operational excellence of SAP BTP, enduring cyber security, extensibility intelligence, technical efficiency optimization. So these are different capability is being handled by this tool. As of now, 7 capability, many more are in development. This screenshot I have added to just give you a glimpse, look and feel that where is the entry point for this tool. In SAP Cloud ALM, under service, there is a widget, AI assistance for innovation adoption. You can click on that widget, then it will lead you to the next screen where you can see all the capabilities. I filter it on data capacity excellence, that's why you can able to see only one capability. So from this screen also you can see this tool has identified 11 issues and it has recommended. So out of 11 issues, 3 are very high and 5 are high, 3 are medium. And you can see active recommendation by status, means issue identify is implemented in your system or not. As of now, no solution has been implemented in your system. That's why status is appearing for all 11 issues identify open. If you want to visualize the data, you can navigate from clicking by dashboard, or if you want to read through what are the findings, what this tool has identified, you can click on report and you can go through that. When I say visualize the data, this is the landing page of embedded SSE screen in AI assistance and innovation adoption tool. We will discuss about it at later point of time. Prerequisite. Okay. To use this tool, what exactly it is required? two things majorly, if you ask me, majorly two things are required. AI assistance, SAP Cloud ALM is required. AI assistance for innovation adoption uses SAP Cloud ALM for service as collaboration platform. You need a subscription for SAP Cloud ALM and must meet the technical prerequisite to using SAP Cloud ALM for service. Second thing, success plan. You have to subscribe to either advanced success plan or max success plan. Success plan is nothing but your agreement with SAP, in which plan you are. If you are part of this plan, then you are free to use this tool. Other than these two prerequisites, each and every capability will be having some prerequisite based on your STPI level or based on your support pack level. So what are those? I have added this information over here. For each and every capability, to get full-blown functionality, you have to install this OSS node based on your STPI level. If you need more information, I have given the link in under Success Plan tab widget, set up SAP Help Portal. You can click on that and it will navigate you to the respective prerequisite site. Next, AI assistance for innovation adoption with respect to data capacity excellence. What exactly data capacity excellence? I already explained you in a layman terminology. So yeah, main target is to optimize data footprint, to reduce memory usage, to gain more performance. Business needs and value benefits, delivery approach. I will not go through all these details. I will tell you what contains from data capacity excellence. It contains, this tool contains top tables, custom table, archiving achievement, deletion achievement, top growing tables, inverted individuals, archiving potential, native storage extension, FI document, financial accounting document, tables logging, table partition, deferred summarization. Many more are in development. It will come soon. I will skip this slide. Yeah. When I used to say, okay, reduce your data footprint, reduce your memory consumption, save some memory. How we used to do that? These are the key techniques through which we handle your data volume for SAP HANA system. Data avoidance, data deletion, data summarization, data archiving, native storage extension, index optimization, partitioning. I will not go through each and every thing. So these are the key techniques through which we used to handle your volume growth. Issue and action management. In the beginning of this session, I told you, in calm terminology, it's called issue. Actions means, okay, what action you have to do, recommendation. So, if you want to go and see what issue and action management, inside issue and action management widget, what exactly the informations are, it will give you a summary, whatever findings, maybe 10, 20, 15, I don't know how many. So it will summarize all the information, findings, and put it in management summary. It will highlight the issues, the findings, and it will also prioritize, considering some threshold importance. It will prioritize that at what priority that issue is, so that customer can think which things he has to handle first, which things he can handle later. So it will look like in this way: current HANA disk usage, high usage table, low usage table, unpartitioned tables growth. You can see certain issues are having very high priority, certain issues are having medium, and certain are having high. I will walk you through one issue. How does this tool works? Consider unpartitioned table. The tool run, read, generate insight, identify, okay, unpartitioned table, two unpartitioned tables, growing fast. It will reach 2 billion limit very soon. How soon? Within 3 months of time, it will reach 2 billion limit. That's why it is putting it as high priority, very high priority. You should address this issue, otherwise the complicacy related to reaching 2 billion will happen in your system. Certain programs will give dump, certain things will not work. So it has given you the table name, record count, how much time do you have, what extra it is giving, issue identified, solution, implement partitioning for identified tables. From customer perspective, if I will think, what exactly partitioning? Maybe I am aware, maybe I am not aware. So this tool is to provide you the key factors to decide what should be the partition design, what exactly hash partitioning means, what exactly range partition means, what should be one partition containing the number of records, what should be the size of one partition, minimum, maximum, so that one customer from his level, at least he can decide, okay, how many partitions I have to create, what should be the number count in one partition, what should be the size of that partition. Again, partition key, what exactly partition key he should consider, some information to related to that. Again, partitioning is not an activity solely, maybe downtime it is required. So those information along with OSS note where more information related to SAP HANA partitioning, it is consolidating and giving you. What additional it used to give? Consider by reading this description, customer does not understand, oh, I don't know, I am not very sure how to do it. If the recommended action description of the identify issue is not sufficient enough, then project and setup app in CALM. Support implementation with detailed step and additional knowledge on implementation guidance. Means additional, more information it is giving, sequentially, what to do. Okay, key points they have given, tool has given, but what sequence we have to follow. So it is creating that big task into smaller chunks, smaller tasks. What task I have to do first? You can keep track of it, that okay, this task, first task, maybe responsibility is some team member, some department, I don't know. So you can keep track of this information. So you can, solution implementation, progress, you can able to track it. What additional information it is giving? So if you click on each steps, some additional information would be there. So here also they are giving the syntax, how to handle hash partitioning, what is more complicated, what is simpler, hash partitioning means what. So many more information. That means this tool is providing you consolidated all the information related to when you are planning to implement a partition design. All this information, you don't have to roam around, find. It is giving you all this information and also helping you to implement. Then, okay, I will skip this slide. It is related to table, unpartitioned table. These are the issues I have taken the screenshot from test system and put it over here for your better understanding. But considering the time frame, I will skip these slides. Now, we'll go to integrated SSE dashboard. Okay, the tool already proposed you the solution stepwise how to do. But to visualize data, to understand data, it is also very important. Only blindly reading the document and saying, okay, it's not up to mark, I would say, in my opinion. So dashboard. In dashboard, you can see this is the landing page of data capacity excellence. You can see overall HANA memory usage, overall HANA disk usage, peak usage, free memory, consumed memory, top tables from disk perspective, from memory perspective, average memory used, custom table footprint, how many custom tables, how much it is contributing. Achievements, if you have implemented archiving measures, then how much you are achieving. Row store table size, column store table size, average monthly growth. It's not only one dashboard. We are giving several other dashboards for more detailed information where you can see more detailed information. Top tables, custom tables, archiving achievement. In case you have implemented archiving solution, each object, when it last run, how many runs it has run, how much data got deleted from your system. All those information you can able to see. Deletion. Deletion is also a technique. So deletion related information also you can able to see in this dashboard. Top growing tables. which tables are growing fast in your system. You should know so that you can plan that what needs to be done. It is growing very fast. From memory, from disk, from record perspective, all perspective you have to see. This tool will give you those perspectives. Individual, inverted individuals. As per SAP best practice, if individual cost is lesser than 200, this is a good candidate. You remove the index and gain some memory space. It will give you that within 200 which all tables are there, how much you can save. Before doing any activity, you should measure whether it is worth or 1 gigabyte only I am going to save. No, not required. So archiving potential. How much from archiving perspective you can able to save if you implement archiving object. Historical data distribution. In which year? Maybe in 2001, your system is having data. Why those data are there? It will trigger a thought process. That's why. Which document types are going, which year contains data, how much you can save if you focus on which document type you should focus. From here, you can determine all those information. NSE related information. NSE is very dynamic in nature. So NSE related informations also we are populating in this dashboard. Memory saving potential. Some tables you can put it in NSE. If you did not put it, how much you can save. That potential it will show you that this much you can save after putting it into NSE. Then how already if you have implemented NSE, how much is the size, how much is you are achieving, that also it will populate. Current buffer cache size, how much is the buffer cache size you have defined, whether it's oversized, undersized. From here you can see 4 gigabyte is paged out, 48 gigabyte is current buffer cache. So you are wasting your memory. Out of buffer event, whether it occurs within last 42 days, how many times it occurs, which table are in NSE, which tables are not. You can find that information from here as well. Financial accounting document, SCDOCA related information. It's very, yeah. So here we want to show that how many documents at least you can archive considering the top company code, considering the time distribution. You can, no dependency are there, and solely you can go and schedule the archive or you can archive. Which things you cannot archive. The ratio also we are providing. One document can create multiple entries. Entries, maybe one document here you can see 718 ratio per document. So those informations are very required information, I would say, to take a decision. Then table logging. If being a customer you know that which table SAP suggests that logging is required, which table is not required, then you can take a call. Oh, these tables, why SAP is telling not required logging, but why these tables are logged, but tables are growing. Do I need to deactivate the table logging or not? You can take a call. If you know the information, then only you will take a call. Similarly, partition related information, which tables, how many partition, what level partition, whether it is in NSE or not. Key takeaways. What is it? An automated AI powered product built into SAP Cloud LM that continuously monitor your SAP HANA database health. Second, what it does, finds data that is costing you money and gives you step-by-step action to fix. Who it's for? Any SAP customer on S4 HANA with advanced or max success plan, they can avail this tool. Question and answers. Thanks. Only this much I have to say.
Awesome. Thank you, Pankaj, for this great deep dive into the tool. Now, let me see. Do we have questions in the room about this tool? Yes, there we go. All right, let's see. Oh, perfect.
Well, there was a similar setup in the SAP for me on the data volume management page. Will that still be existing or will it be discontinued?
SAP for me?
Yeah, there was a like EVA workspace. There's also a data volume management overview available on.
Are you
SAP
referring
for me.
to DVM Cloud app?
Nope. Just in SAP for me. It's no cloud app. It's like the EWA
Is it
workspace. There was
telling
a
you the
DVM page.
solution? What needs to be implemented? How many times?
Not as detailed as this, of course, because it just has the information it gets out of EWA.
Yes.
But
Yeah,
it was
you
okay.
might, if you are aware of data volume DVM Cloud app, it used to give you information, but it is not giving you solution. How much time frame you are having to resolve this issue? It is not giving you that. It is not giving you the consolidated information. You have to roam around.
That's true, but if you use EWA workspace, then you get also the table growth in the records with an estimate, and in the DVM, you also get information about what could be archived. But the thing is, will it be discontinued then? That's my main question.
I am not aware of if that is going to discontinue, but DVM Cloud app is discontinued.
Okay.
This is what I know.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Right. Any follow-up question? Oh, yes, there. Coming upstairs a bit, otherwise I'm afraid of hitting people. Where was the question again? Here.
So what are the general limitations of the tool? For example, what should we be mindful about with the custom tables?
Limitation about custom tables.
For example,
Means-
custom tables. So would custom tables be also included, and then this tool would provide insights and recommendations for any
Yes.
custom tables?
Custom tables, definitely when we are populating which tables are in NSE, which tables are not in NSE, custom table is also part of that. Also, custom table, how many custom tables are being built, that is also you can able to know from here. What is the size it is consuming, how fast it is growing, that is also you can able to know.
I mean, in general, with if there is a problem, for example, performance problem with custom tables, would it provide a solution or at least an advice?
It's related to data volume management. As of now, performance is not included, but maybe other capabilities which I have shown, they might have addressed. I am not well aware of all the capabilities, but maybe technical efficiency optimization, there is one more capability. Maybe they are looking into that.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Yeah, thanks.
Awesome. With that, I am afraid that we need to, there is my clicker. We need to close Q&A because we're a little behind schedule. And as our next session is already coming up shortly, where we will see more insights about real-time data integration into HANA. So thank you again for your session.
Thanks.